Now we come to talk about the serious problem with no controlling ideas. There are 5 major results. Suppose you have a subject claim but no object controlling ideas or no sub-ideas. Or you might have implied vague object terms. Still, you will have at least the following difficulties. 1. When you write the body, you need to start with new topics, which are hardly not to be off-topic when rushing and unsure. Then, it will be difficult for you to arrange or balance all these perspectives of subtopics as topic sentences, which will be like your chicken pizza order comes a mix of cheesecake, pasta, or fries, of anything. 3. It's not only you lose consistency and coherence, but also lose a supporting relationship in the whole essay. 4. Without foretelling the body ideas, readers are kept blind and frustrated. There's no clear map nor logics for your essay. 5. Last but not the least, what left for conclusion is hard to restate, rather than the powerful ending of your claim. Here is the consequence. You will lose your scores and wasting your hard work. You may have to take the test again. You'll always lack of logical thinking for formal writing styles in your career.